Hi students, 12th standard accountancy, chapter 5, admission of partner, illustration sum number 13. Let's read the question. Prashant and Nisha are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Ramya as a new partner. Prashant surrenders 2/5 of his share and Nisha surrenders 2/5 of her share in favor of Ramya. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Let's first understand the question, what they given. Okay, then what they asked to find out. Okay, Prashant and Nisha are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So Prashant and Nisha are old partners. Their old profit sharing ratio is 3:2, means what? 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so Prashant's old profit sharing ratio is 3/5 and Nisha's old profit sharing ratio is 2/5. Then they admit Ramya as a new partner. Prashant surrenders 2/5 of his share. Nisha surrenders 2/5 of her share in favor of Ramya. Okay, so Prashant surrendered 2/5 of his share to whom? In favor of new partner Ramya. Similarly, the old partner Nisha surrenders his share in favor of whom? To new partner Ramya. Okay, 2/5 of her share. Okay, what they asked? They asked to calculate share sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. First, we have to find out the share sacrificing ratio. From that share sacrificing ratio only, we can find out the new profit sharing ratio. So, we are going to find out the share sacrificing ratio. Listen, if they given in the question, old partners surrenders their share in favor of new partner. How can you find out share sacrificing ratio? It's very simple. If they given in the question in the word surrender, you have to multiply old share into surrender share. You will get share sacrificing ratio. Okay, so in this way we are going to multiply Prashant old share into surrender share. Directly we are going to multiply directly. So 3 2s are 6, 5 5s are 25. So Prashant share sacrificing ratio is 6/25 in favor of new partner Ramya. And similarly, Nisha's old share is 2/5. Her surrender share is 2/5. We are going to find out the share sacrificing ratio. So for that we are going to multiply directly old share into surrender share. 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25. Nisha's share sacrificing ratio is 4/25. Okay. Now we are going to enter share sacrificing ratio. Prashant's share sacrificing ratio is 6/25 and Nisha's share sacrificing ratio is 4/25, which means what is the ratio form? 6:4, right? We are going to only take the numerator value. No need to take the denominator value. Denominator has the same value. We have cancel it. Okay, then we will get the share sacrificing ratio 6:4. Then we can simplify 6 and 4 by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. The share sacrificing ratio is 3:2. Okay. Now we are going to find out the new profit sharing ratio of Prashant, Nisha and new partner Ramya. First we are going to find out the new profit sharing ratio of old partner. Who are the old partner? Prashant and Nisha. How can you find out the new profit sharing ratio of old partner? We have the formula. What is that? Old share minus share sacrifice. You will get the new profit sharing ratio of old partner. In this way, let's take Prashant. Okay, Prashant old share is 3/5. His share sacrificing ratio is 6/25. Listen here carefully. We have to take only 6/25 share sacrificing ratio. We can't take 3/25 or 2/25. Listen. So listen, here we have 5 and 25 in the denominator. So different value. 5 is not divisible by 25, but 25 is divisible by 5 times in 5, and 125 is 5. So 125 is 25. So we are going to take 25 as the common number. We are going to enter 25 into the denominator. How many times here 5 multiplied with a number you will get 25? 5 5s are 25. Same number you are going to enter to the numerator. 3 5s are 15 minus 125 is 25. 1 6 is 6. 1 6 is 6. 15 minus 6 you will get 9. 9 by 25. So new profit sharing ratio of Prashant is 9 by 25, right? Then we are going to find out Nisha's new profit sharing ratio. In this way, Nisha's old share is 2 by 5. Nisha's share sacrificing ratio is 4 by 25, right? Okay. So we have different value in denominator. We have take 25 as the common number. Why? Because 25 is divisible by 5 and 125 is 25, but 5 is not divisible by 25. So for that we are going to take 25 as the common number. We are enter 25 in the denominator. How many times a 5 multiplied with a number you will get 25? 5 5s are 25. Same number you are going to enter to the numerator. 2 5s are 10. Minus 1 4 is 4. 125 is 25. Okay. So 10 minus 4 you will get 6. 6 by 25. Right. So Nisha's new profit sharing ratio is 6 by 25. Then we are going to find out a new partner Ramya's new profit sharing ratio. Old partners sacrificing their share of profit only. New partner gets the new profit sharing ratio. Old partner Prashant share sacrificing ratio is 6 by 25 in favor of new partner Ramya, and Nisha's sacrificing ratio is 425 in favor of Ramya, new partner Ramya. We will check denominator. Denominator has the same value 25, similar like old partners denominator. Okay, so for that we are going to add directly 6 plus 4 you will get 10. Okay, 10 by 25. So new partner Ramya's new profit sharing ratio is 10 by 25. The new profit sharing ratio is we will take only numerator value. So 9 is to 6 is to 10. We need not take the denominator value. Denominator has the same value. So for that we have to cancel the denominator value. We will take only numerator value. The share sacrificing ratio is 3 is to 2, and new profit sharing ratio for the partners accordingly Prashant, Nishant and Ramya's new profit sharing ratio is 9 is to 6 is to 10. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it into the comment box. Thank you. Take care.